Dear students, welcome to the video lecture of use case diagram, the introduction of the use case diagram. So what is the use case diagram first? It represents the functionality of the system. The functionality of the system is described in the number of different use cases, each of which represent the specific flow of the system. Use case is an ellipse symbol. It mentions a particular activity of the system. So that is known as a use case. The description of the use case defines what happens in the system when the use case is performed. It explains that when the use case is performed, what is happening inside the system. In essence, use case model define an outside. This is having a outside, inside, and boundary, system boundary. It contains three parts. So use case model defines outside. That means actor. Outside the system boundary, we are having an actor. And inside of the system, inside use cases. That is not a system's behavior are inside the system boundary. So outside the system boundary, we are having actor. Inside the system boundary, we are having a use cases. What is an actor? An actor is anything that interact with the use case. An actor is anything that interact with the use case is known as an actor. It could be a human user, external hardware, or another system. It could be a human user, external hardware, or another system. An actor represents the category of user. Actor represents the category of user rather than the physical user. An actor represents the category. Okay, what category they belong. For example, if an actor is having a name means member. So all members, all the staff and all the students are become come under the member. So that is category. So segmentation, it represents the common name of a group. That is an actor. Actor represents the category of the user rather than the physical user. Several physical user may play a same role. It is possible that, okay, if a library member means set of students also come under the member. Okay, they are the borrower, and set of faculty also a member. They are also a borrower. So they are member of the library. So library member. Borrower means set of students and set of staffs. So all are come under the borrower use case. So several physical user may play the same role. For example, in terms of member actor, many people can be a member of the library, which can be represented by the one actor called a member. Okay, we'll have a many people under it, but that all represented by the only one actor. So simple use case diagram is given here. A use case diagram is a graph of actors. A use case diagram is a graph of actors and a set of use cases enclosed by the system boundary. Okay, so this is a system boundary, and we can say that this is a standing rectangle. This is a system boundary, and outside the boundary we are having actor, that is client and operator. Inside the boundary we are having a use cases: make a call, take a call, do research, and return a call. So the actually actor, client, operator, and the support representative. So three are the actors. We are having four use cases. Use cases inside the system boundary. Actors are outside the system boundary. Outside the system boundary. So association between the actor and the use case. Actually, communication. That means association between the actor and the use case, and the generalization among the use case. And the generalization among the use case are shown here. So here, client. Okay, we'll say a client is is an actor. Okay, this is a help desk. Okay, the use case is for the help desk. This help desk system. So inside system boundary, the client make a call. The operator of the help desk, it takes a call. Sometimes what will happen? Operator will directly answer to the call. Sometimes the operator cannot have a ready-made answer. On the time, okay, then it will be job of support representative. He will do a research on the client's query, and he will make a return call later. So this is a simple use case which is mentioned for the help desk. So likewise, our system will have a n number of use cases. Example, use case for a help desk. Okay, the example which is explained here. A use case for a help desk: a client make a call that is taken by the operator. Client make a call that is taken by the operator. So client make a call, first use case, taken by the operator. Who determines the nature of the problem? He determines the nature of the problem. Some problem can be answered immediately. Other call requires a research and return call. Some problem can be answered immediately. Other problem required a research and a return call. Return call notations. A use case is shown in the ellipse containing the name of the use case. So this is ellipse. Okay, ellipse as its name. Make a call, take a call, do research, and return a call are known as a use cases. Name may be placed below or inside the ellipse. Okay, we can place the name below the ellipse or inside the ellipse also. In this use case, all the names are placed inside the ellipse. Notation: a use case is shown in an ellipse containing the name of use case. A use case is shown is ellipse. Use case is shown as a ellipse is containing name of the use case. Name is placed below or inside the ellipse. Actor is shown as a class rectangle with a label actor. Okay, for example, directly man symbol and as well as the name is given here. So instead of this, we will have actually a class rectangle. Inside the class rectangle, we show it as an actor. So in the diagram, the class rectangle here in the double angled bracket, we mention actor. So below that, we have to mention the name. In this way, we are able to represent. Or label and a stick figure. Or the class may have along with the label, and will have a stick figure. And a stick figure and a label. Okay, a class with a angle bracket actor and the actor name. And actually, along with this actor and the actor name and stick symbol, or we can give a stick symbol separately. Below that, we will have a actor name. So an actor is shown in the class rectangle and with the label actor, or the label and a stick figure, or a stick figure with the name of the event given below. So generally, this is commonly used, more often it is used, but these two are correct to represent the actor. So communication. Communication is shown by connecting an actor symbol with the use case symbol with a solid path. So connecting a use case symbol with the actor symbol with a solid path is known as a communication. A user's relationship. A user's relationship between the use case is shown as a generalization arrow from the use case. A use case relationship between the use case is shown in the generalization arrow. That means that one use case is using another use case. So see this example. Check-in passenger use case assign the assigned seat use case. That is one of the user's relationship. One use case is completely using the service of the another use case. Extend relationship. Extend relationship used when you have a one use case that is similar to another use case, but it does a bit more. It is essence like a subclass. The extend relationship is used when you have a one use case. Okay, when you have a one use case that is one use case that is did bit more. Okay, it is similar like another use case, but it is doing some bit more activities. For example, if you take that the assign seat and assign window seat, assign seat. Okay, there's two use cases they are using extend. That means inheritance. Okay, most of the behavior I inherited from the, we can say taken from the assign seat and window. Assign seat is common, and it will assign the addition to that, it will assign the window seat. Okay, and it will assign the seat. Okay, like this assign seat use case, but it is more that is assigning the assign seat. So this extend, we can say that it is like a inheritance relationship. The extend relationship is used when you have one use case that is similar to another use case, but does better more. It is essentially like a subclass. Okay, that's all about the use case diagram, and thanks for watching the video lecture. Thank you.